Is your debit card being rejected by PayPal? Let's fix that frustration. First, double-check the expiration date. An expired card is the most common culprit. Make sure the month and year are correct in your PayPal settings. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. This is where all your payment methods are stored. Look for your debit card. Click on your debit card. Verify that the billing address on file in PayPal exactly matches the address associated with your debit card at your bank. Even a small discrepancy can cause rejection. If the address is correct, try removing the card and reading it. This refreshes the connection and sometimes resolves the issue. Pay close attention while entering all the details. Any mistake will make PayPal reject debit card again. Next, contact your bank. There may be a block on the card for online transactions or international payments. A quick call to your bank can clear this up. Finally, if none of these steps work, check the PayPal Help Center for specific error codes or contact PayPal support directly. They can provide personalized assistance.